Hello to our favorite audience of Twinkle Thomas Food TV. Today we are going to make a pizza, a Kufta pizza, which is a very interesting and amazing recipe. For that you will need, of course, some Kufta meat, some tomatoes, onion, eggs and cheese. For the beginning, all you have to do is start with cutting down the onion into small pieces like you would do it usually. And later you will need to put the kufta meat and then add the onion to that. Let me remind that the one that we have, the meat, already has some salt in that, so make sure that you either buy the one that has salt or add it yourself. Put the onion onto that. Let's have to it added also 1 egg, a little bit of red pepper, and a little bit of gemelli suneli. And let's start cutting down the tomatoes. This is for the design of the pizza, for making it more beautiful and tasty, of course. And let's grate some cheese. All you have to do now is mixing all of these ingredients together very well and properly, the egg and the onions and the meat. And after mixing it all, put it into the pan in which you are going to cook it, and make sure you are making it as flat as possible, like you would do with the pizza dough. This is all you have to do now. And whenever it is ready, let's design it and with the tomatoes that you just had cut it down. Beautiful, right? And be sure that it's also very tasty. Now let's add some more cheese onto the top of that. And let's put it to be cooked. After it is cooked a little bit, take it out and add some egg onto the top of it. Also some basil leaves, and put it back into the oven to be cooked a little bit until the eggs are cooked. Whenever done, you'll be ready to cut it down and serve. Hope you will like it and will enjoy the dinner with that. Share it with your friends. You can add some butter on the top when serving. Share it with your friends. Good appetite!